Happy morning. I'm Sylvester Korea, Shilu sir.
Happy morning. I'm Romia Korea. Please check the description box to attempt a test. Chapter 3, Part 2. In the last session, we learned about principal verb. Today, we are going to see auxiliary or helping verb. Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are helping verbs when they are used with the main verbs. They modify the meanings of these main verbs. Following are the auxiliary verbs.
Be, have, will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, do, ought to, used to.
Modes expressed by modal auxiliaries. Permission, advice, request, obligation, possibility, conjecture, ability, past habit. For example, may I come in, sir?
Here, may denotes permission.
It may or might rain.
Here, may or might indicates possibility.
I can walk now.
Here, can denotes ability.
Could I use your computer for surfing internet?
Here, could indicates a request.
You should study hard.
Here, should denotes advice.
It will rain.
Here, will indicates certainty.
You must respect your elders.
Here, must denotes obligation.
My mother must have cooked food.
Here, must indicates conjecture.
I would or used to dance when I was in school.
Here, would or used to denotes past habit.
Replacing other words by modal auxiliaries. For example, Nia was able to read from the age of 3.
Nia could read from the age of 3.
She sat in the sun every afternoon.
She would or used to sit in the sun every afternoon.
Certainly, she is going to win the match.
She will win the match.
Primary auxiliary. The following primary auxiliary verbs can be used both as main verbs and auxiliary verbs or helping verbs.
To be, to have, to do.
To be. The verbs am, is, are, was, were, been, etc. are derived from to be.
For example, Hina is an engineer. Here, the main verb is an independent verb which shows a state of being.
The child was crying at night. Here, the verb was works as auxiliary or helping verb. To have. The verbs have, has, had, etc. are derived from to have.
For example, I have a nice pen. Here, the main verb have is an independent verb which shows possession.
He has done the work. Here, the verb has works as auxiliary or helping verb to show a complete action. To do. The verbs do, does, did, done, etc. are derived from to do.
For example, we do our homework regularly. Here, the main verb do is an independent verb which denotes an action.
They did not play football. Here, the verb did is used as an auxiliary or helping verb to show the action that did not take place. Dear friends, you must know the following verb forms in order to have a good command over English. Please go through.
We are ending this chapter here. Do practice these verb forms.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.